Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pull or download any project from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. So, let's begin. To pull any project from a GitHub repository into Visual Studio Code, first open your Visual Studio Code. Next, we need to install an extension. Click on this icon. In the search bar, type GitHub and you'll see many extensions listed. Install the GitHub pull request extension. You'll notice that the installation will start and finish shortly. Once the extension is successfully installed, simply close this window. After closing, click on the settings icon and select Command Palette. In the search bar, type GitHub clone and an option will appear. Press Enter. Now, we need to copy the URL of the GitHub repository. To do this, go to your browser and copy the repository URL from the top of the search bar. Once you've copied the URL, return to Visual Studio Code and paste it into the required field. Press Enter. Next, we need to create a new folder to store the project. I choose my desktop for this. Then create a new folder on my desktop and name it Pull from GitHub. You can name the folder anything you like. Now, select the location for the repository. You will see that the project starts cloning. Once the cloning is completed, simply click on Open. To view the folder, click on File, then Open Folder. You'll find your folder named Pull from GitHub on the desktop. Select it and click Select Folder. This time, the project will open within the Pull from GitHub folder. It contains both the HTML and CSS files. To confirm that everything works, I go to my desktop and you can see the folder there. Inside the folder, you'll find the project files, the HTML and CSS files. I run the HTML file, and as you can see, the project works perfectly. You can also use this method to pull or download any project from a GitHub repository into Visual Studio Code. That's how you can pull or download any project from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.